box from an Alibaba merchant? Let's open it up and check it out. Dave Taylor here, and a week or two ago I ordered a couple of watches from Alibaba.com. Now, you might not have heard of Alibaba.com, but it's a really big e-commerce site, mostly focused on business to business, so a lot of merchants there want to send you 10, 50, 500 units. But sometimes you can find a merchant that will ship 1, 2, 3, even 5 units, and then you get a chance to actually have some fun. Now, I've covered Alibaba.com before on my channel here, so you can definitely check out those other videos. It's pretty interesting. But what we have today is an unboxing. So, I ordered about 10 days ago 2 Benyar 5151 chronograph men's watches, and that's what's in this box. At least I'm pretty sure that's what's in this box. Now, just as a reminder, they were $18.50 each for a total of $37 with free shipping. So I figured, well, that's great, but free shipping from a factory in China, it's going to take probably a month, right? Nope. 10 days later, it showed up on my doorstep. Possibly a record, but be that as it may, I just want to open this up and see what's inside. So, I have my unboxing tool. Be careful with these sort of tools, young people. And I'm going to carefully cut it open and hopefully do this without injuring myself. And then we'll get to see what's in the box. So, here we go. Let me close my knife just so we don't want any blood on camera. We'll do that with special effects. So, reasonably well packed, and it is indeed 2 units from Benyar, so that is promising. So we'll put this aside, and we have, as you can see, 2 nice gift boxes actually. I'm not sure why this is trying to escape, but we'll do that. Now, that's done. So let's open one of these up. So it's a very nice gift box, and I open it up, and underneath this is a lint-free dust cloth and instructions and a guarantee card, and a watch. So it's all very nicely packed. And here's one of the 2 watches. These are big men's chronographs. So if I put this one on my wrist, I will have to actually adjust the time, but for now, I'll just put this one on my wrist just so I can see what it looks like. And feels like a leather strap. It's a very nice strap. It's actually a really nice looking watch. Then let's open the other one. I ordered 2 of 2 different colors, and I needed to get a present for my son's 21st birthday. So my plan is to let him choose a color, and then I'll keep the other one. So this one you can see has the blue edge around it, whereas this one has the copper or gold edge around it. So 2 very different styles, although I guess 2 very different colors, but very much the same style. And the second hand is ticking away, so it's working. Now, let me go ahead and switch, and you can get a close-up so you can see what this particular watch looks like. I have to say, there's nothing to complain about. I'm a bit of a watch collector, so I have a good sense of what you want on a watch. And this has some interesting complications, and there's lots to like here. This is a really nice design with a really nice feel to it. So I think my son's gonna really like this, and I'm gonna actually go ahead and put him back in the boxes so he can choose which one and not realize that I've already worn one and checked out the other one. I'm sure he'll be okay with that. But suffice to say, nice job Alibaba.com and Benyar, because these are watches that I think if I would have seen for probably $99 at a watch store, I would have thought, okay, these are pretty nice. They have a good feel to them. I think there's a lot to like here. But instead, $18.50 for this watch, nothing to complain about. Pretty darn good deal. Now, if I ordered it in a larger quantity, the per unit cost would go down even further. So If I had a big team of people, or if I had like a men's basketball team and I wanted to give everyone a present, and yeah, I mean, obviously anyone could wear this. It's just a big watch, which makes it more typically on a man's wrist than a woman's wrist, because men have bigger wrists, generally speaking. But if I wanted to order 20 or 30 of these, that's actually entirely doable and easy to do, and in fact, much more central to the whole concept of Alibaba.com. So what this is telling you is that there's a business opportunity here. If you're an entrepreneur, you could be picking up these watches and buying them at quantity of 10, 20, 50, and then reselling them for 2, 3, even 4 times your purchase price. That's pretty sweet. That could be a nice way to make some money. In fact, I'm going to do a video talking about those sort of entrepreneurial opportunities. But for now, I need to get these packaged back up so I'm ready to have this for my son, which means I'll hope to catch you in my next video.